Hello everyone. Today we will look at one way to use the circle of fifths. So last time we learned how to construct the circle of fifths. For your reference, a quick reference is here. Alright. So one way to use it is we can use it to determine the one chord in a particular key. So we will discuss harmony in much further details when we get to the harmony section. But for now, we can give a real quick introduction to that topic. For example, in C major, when we are talking about C major, and today we'll only look at two chords in this key. There'll be a chord that is a dominant 7 chord, and that will be the 5 chord. Alright, and the 1 chord is going to be a C major scale. For now, all you have to do is, for example, given the G7 chord, alright, so the first step that you have to do right now is locate a G, locate the root of G on the circle of fifths graph, and you go here to locate a 1 chord. It is that simple. So given a G7 chord, the question is right now, what is the 1 chord? And you go anti-clockwise, 1 step, C major. Alright, so that's really the answer here. And we'll discuss the harmony in much greater details when we get to the harmony section. But I think the 5-1 chord progression is something that's worth talking about in a much earlier phase. Okay, so let's do a few exercises here. All right, so I'm just going to write out a few roots. Okay, so for example, I'm going to write out a few dominant 7 chords. All right, I think we're good. Okay, so let's take a look at these. Okay, so F7, and all these chords are going to be 5/7s, so they're the 5 chord in a scale. Okay, so let's take a look. F7, all right, F7, so it's going to be B flat major. So to make it more explicit, I'll put down major here. I put down a triangle here to make it look explicit. So B flat major. Okay, D7, D7, G major, A7, D major, E7, A major, A flat 7, D flat major. Remember, you're going anti-clockwise, okay? And then E flat 7, A flat major, B flat 7, sorry, B flat 7, E flat major. Alright, so that's it. That's how you can use the, that's one way to use the circle of fifths. You can use it to determine the 1 chord if you're given the 5/7 chord. Alright, so again, one more time, we will discuss harmony in much greater details when we get to the relevant section. Alright, so for now, don't worry too much about it, but rather try to get a superficial idea about the 5 chord and the 1 chord, and you should be good for now. Alright, I will see you in the next video.